Start. The learned counsel for the petitioner has pointed out that the results have not yet been declared and the selection has not been finalized, and it cannot be said that the petitioners who have come before this court are those persons who willingly participated in the selection and agreed to the procedure adopted by the recruitment board and therefore are now stopped from challenging the same. The results has yet to be declared and several writ petitions are pending with regard to incorrect marking adopted by the board on account of wrong answer keys, and there is also the issue of normalization moderation that is pending before this court in several other writ petitions. The only difficulties that the board has pointed out are that of a practical nature, but what exactly such practical difficulties are, have not been stated clearly in the affidavit. There are several boards like Railway Recruitment Board and BSRB which hold similar competitive examinations, and several lakhs of candidates participate all over the country. Nowhere it is found that 33 sets of question papers or even less number of question papers are set with different degrees of difficulty for candidates who participate in the same competitive examination for the same post. The question booklets series may be 4 or 5 at the maximum, where the questions are not different but only the serial numbers of such questions are different in each of booklet series. The Police Recruitment Board has however adopted a novel method of setting 33 sets of question papers which are different from each other altogether. It has been submitted by the learned standing counsel Sri Bikram Bahadur Yadav that no doubt there was some discrepancy in distribution of question booklets at two examination centers, but the board has rectified this discrepancy by cancelling part of the written examination, and in all probability the written examination for 10 lakh candidates who were affected by the wrong distribution of the question booklets in the second meeting exam on 18th and 19th of June 2018 shall be held in the last week of October 2018. It has been stated in the personal affidavit that since the power is vested with the board to determine the method of selection as given in the amended rule 15 (2), the board has exercised its power after taking into account the circumstances in which selection has to be held and the logistics involved. Stop.